Alright guys, this is, alright, so, alright guys, I'm just making this video, so I'm gonna try to do this like every week or so, but I'm gonna tell you right now, next week, this week coming up, I'll say it's gonna be probably, I don't know, it's gonna be absolute bullshit. I'm gonna be straight up, it's gonna be absolute bullshit. This week, I'm telling you right now, you're either gonna win big or lose big. There's no in between, and even by the grace of God, even if you might break even, by the grace of God, but there's high hopes, so let's make sure that you're ready for what's prepared for next week. Let me get to the first part. We have news coming out. If you look here, I don't know how to full screen, so don't mind me. If we look here, Monday, we only have the Chicago Business. This is really like, if we had to rate it on a scale of like 3 stars, we will actually, I'll put this at like maybe a 1.5 or like a 1 at best, 1 star, because it's really not that big of a deal. Monday, if you look, so I was looking at Bitcoin for a bit. If we go to SPY, my favorite thing to trade, obviously. SPY, we have, if we look at the 4-hour chart, we have a bullish order block at 541, but on the one day, we have it right here at 548, which is nothing crazy. I'm pretty sure Monday is probably gonna like it's probably gonna either stay in between or hit 548, but I don't know. That's really crazy to say in one day. I don't think it's gonna spike down that low. Even if we hit 148, it's probably gonna spike back up, but I don't know to what level. I think the next one on the 5-minute chart to like a bearish order block is right at like 550. So the odds on Monday, I'll probably, I'll look at the charts on Monday, but I really wouldn't trade Monday because there's nothing really big happening. But if there's a trend there, we're gonna take that trade. Always take the trend trades. Obviously, yesterday was an absolute trend day, just straight bottom. Not a single green candle to even look at. Never saw a pullback. I was trying to get in this trade, never saw a pullback, so I simply did trade it, and it kept marking oversold. But I guess nobody's really messing with Trump right now. And the 1-hour chart is going to hit an order block at 553. Now, this would be my key level right here because this is the highest one. Usually with the RSI, you always want to look for the highest, or if this was the case, the lowest. But right now, since we're looking for like a little relief bounce or whatnot, we're going to look at the 550, I think this is 553, we're at this level. So that's probably going to happen, bounce up, won't bounce up all the way to 570 or nothing crazy. So we have 553, and then on the 5-minute, we probably have next level, 556, so probably at that level. Not too crazy. If you're a scalp player, this would be heaven for you on Monday, but usually trade trend, because there's no news, nothing really crazy indicating. But if we go back here, Tuesday, we have Fed President Thomas speaks. I don't know how big that is, but whatnot. And the S&P Final USA Maxer PMI on a Tuesday, that would absolutely send the market up or down, matters whatever it comes at. And then we don't have, but there's still, when we talk about this, there is still a high fear, extreme fear, absolutely crazy. And if we know that Trump is going to speak about tariffs on April the 2nd, which is on Wednesday, and that might drive extreme fear down. As you can tell, the moving average crossed the death cross right here, and boom, bounce up. No sign of ever coming back to it anytime soon. So trust me, if you have money in investments, if you have money in growth stocks like Nevada or anything tech really, obviously, as you can tell right here for you, Tesla, if you're buying Tesla still, oh my days, LOL, bro. You're better off donating your money to a church. Tesla so sucks. I've been saying this for the longest. Tesla's never a good company. But as you can tell, strength is down. Oh my days, it's just, it's so ugly to look at sometimes. But extreme fears happen. And then Wednesday also, Trump declares April 2nd, Liberty Day. And talk about a fear monger right there. What do you mean Liberty Day? In here, or Liberation, I'm sorry, Liberation Day. Talk about that. And he's starting to post so much. It's so crazy. And this is all really gibberish, blah, 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 for weeks and threats and whatnot about the weeks. And this is all he's doing. But this really caught my eye. President Trump has been clear. His big tariff day isn't an April Fool joke. When they said that one dude, I forget what it was take Trump seriously, but not literally. I'm going to take him literally. Because big tariff day, you know what big tariff day sounds like to me? A big boom down day. And oh my days, if we are buying calls on Wednesday, that is a no-go. So basically, we have Tuesday here, and if this is good news, this is not a breakout. This is not a bullish breakout whatsoever. After the end of the day, I'm telling you right now, they've been doing this for the longest. We're on the 5-minute chart already, and then, so this is what I'm saying. And then Jerome Powell speaks on Friday too, mind you. So this is what we're going to do. Boom, 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 all day, right? And then right at end of day, spike up. I'm going to tell you a good entry here. So let me get a little line here. Usually, I don't even need a line. Let me just point. Okay, well, it's going to force me to make a trend line. All right, boom, delete. So here, listen to me here. So right at this level, it didn't even mark oversold. But we all know that once it hits a breaker structure and it bounces out, if we zoom in here, it's probably a good bullish indicator. It really wasn't. I guess, yeah, we didn't really have no bullish indicator. A little top right here, and then a little bottom. I guess you wouldn't even catch that. But usually if they continue climbing and they change a character right here, this is a good indicator. Breaker structure is really nothing crazy, but change a character right here would have been good. Right at top, right when you see overbought RSI, you're going to short. Trust me, at end of day, on Tuesday, let's go back. On Tuesday, if this is good, mind you, we're probably going to rally up. And then what that level will be, let's go back to the charts, zoom out a little bit. Monday we said that nothing happened. We might hit this order block right here. And if it's good, this might be a breeze of a break. But if not, it might reject. I don't know. Can't tell the future, unfortunately. But if it's really good news and we have a somewhat bullish day, that's a nothing but a dead cat bounce or a relief bounce. The next level for spot even look bullish would be at 560. 560 will probably hit Tuesday if it's good news, people. I'm telling you, 560. But if it hits 560, we're going to simply short it. Short on Tuesday. Why? Because, like we said, the big man's coming in on Wednesday with big tariffs day. And it isn't an April Fool's joke. He is dead ass, people. He's no joke. So, also, But here's the thing here. So we know that Wednesday's probably going to be bearish. Tuesday, 50-50, maybe break even. I'm going like a 0.5% move at the end of the day. Nothing crazy, okay? We have a lot of news coming out. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. Who cares? But Monday, don't trade it. I really don't care for Monday. Tuesdays, we're going to tap in. Thursday, trade defensive. I don't know if this is really big. I'm pretty sure it would be big. And then we also have final USS PMI again. So... and the PMI right here, this is different. I'm pretty sure they'll have the same impact of volume here. So Thursday, if it's good, we have a lot of big people talking. We have 12:30, 2:30, and as you can tell, it's a lot of news. And Friday, like I said, Jerome Powell speaks. If you don't know about Jerome Powell, and this is your first time trading or whatnot, Jerome Powell has a big impact on the market. Whatever he says goes. There's no in between. He's been like this since I tried to start trading like 2022. He always been a big thing, but whatever he says goes. And I don't know if it's a full because it says 11:25 a.m. So it would be like a board meeting, but I don't know. Usually be like FOMC. But we're gonna have to see what it is. I don't have a lot of intel on that. But the hourly wages, they're probably gonna stay the same like always over the year. Yeah, probably little news. Well, now this is before market open anyways. But if it's actually good news he says on Friday, we're probably gonna look for a trade off this. And like I said, I'm overall bullish on the market for like, I don't know, a level that for me to even look bullish, and this should be the level for anybody, for everybody. I know I'll be like, this is only personal advice, so don't take it to the heart. But take this to the heart. The only levels that we should be looking for, let's bust open the 1 day. Alright, the 1 day chart, the level we should be looking for is not this one. We should be looking for 580. 580 or 585, a breakthrough 580 would definitely mean bullish. And I'm telling you, that would probably not happen anytime soon. So obviously, if that's not going to happen anytime soon, it's like puts are going to happen anytime soon. Alright, if you understand my logic here. Alright, we have a way long down to go. Everybody loves to try to predict the bottom. Guys, we cannot simply predict the bottom here. It is so much news and so much controversial stuff going on, and it's kind of crazy. Like, we have Tesla right here, and mind you, Tesla is simply... Hey, let me go to my camera so I can tell you this eye to eye. Tesla is not a good company, guys. Y'all have been brainwashed. If you look at Tesla news, I promise you right now, if we look up Tesla, I know it's bad, so the news is probably going to be bad too, but Tesla sells in foreign... And let's look at, not even four companies, I'm going to type in four companies. Let's look in Germany. Sales in Europe. Let's see Europe, I guess, because of the thing. 16 years at Chi, the UK market has a pair 28. But look at this. Tesla dealers are down 43% in Europe. While EVs are up 31. Oh, yeah, I can't even see the chart. I'm so sorry. But we looked up here. Tesla sales are right here. They only deliver 16 units in the Europe. But the EV, but it's compared to 28 units in 20. That is down a whopping like 20K. I don't know the percentage of that, but that is crazy. Probably it's this one, 48 right here, but we're not doing that. That doesn't even seem legit, low-key. But it probably is 48. Now think about it. Yeah, it's definitely like 48. But, 43%. EVs are up 31%. So that means people are still looking for EVs. That just simply means, let me go to my camera so you can hear me. That just simply means EVs, I'll say, not vague, I say like the wants. Because you know in sales there's want and buying, consumers and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. You learn this economics 101. But obviously the want is still up, but Tesla, no. Nobody wants that piece of shit. And Tesla's always been overvalued. I've been telling people this all the time. Tesla's overvalued. People are basically buying into and investing into Elon's likability. Only time I will ever buy into Elon ever is SpaceX. But SpaceX, I'm pretty sure I'm confident in this. SpaceX is a private company, so you can't really buy into it. It's not to the public. That's the only time I'll buy into it. And the problem was, Tesla probably, give their bullshit off or whatnot. Say, go on the news and do whatever they like. Like, in his interviews, he would just lie and be like, oh man, this is so bullish. Oh my god, Tesla's the new greatest thing. No, it's not. If you look in I know we're kind of brainwashed here. I just woken up like at least I said a month ago. But Tesla's biggest competitor, I'm pretty sure it's like BYD. And BYD stocks are down right now. No, this is like the gaming company. I think it's BYD. It's like something else car. It's like BYD. This car right here, but their company name is like BYD car stock. I'm pretty sure it's like, okay, it's like it's BYD and a couple other letters. This is a gaming corp. Where's the Chinese car? I don't know. But look. Right here, BYD stock rises, EV makers ramp up Tesla's battle with the global drive cell. So obviously, if we look down here, BYD is a little bit down, but Tesla's absolutely dropping. No good. And just past Tesla in automotive sales for the first time. For the first time. Mind you, you might be shocked or whatnot, but nobody's shocked. Nobody is buying Tesla because obviously, like I said, they're trading and buying and investing into Elon's likability. It's no good. It's no good. And the thing is, I'm in the USA. I'm pretty sure BYD can never come to USA. Obviously, definitely with Trump in office and Elon close buds, he's not coming to the USA anytime soon. Probably next president or whatnot, but that's 4 years, and we're trying to make money now. You're better off buying or investing into BYD, like a foreign company, than buying into US companies. The only thing you should be buying into right now, if you have your money, and does someone tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. Never been a financial advisor. If I say, I have all my money into Tesla and I see it dropping or whatnot, and I hope you didn't buy at the top, but worst case scenario, you bought at the top and you was buying into this rally or whatnot of like, oh man, why is Elon's up with Trump and everything, man, dude, this is crazy for like my not calls, I'll say my investment, you moron, any company that gets in with the government is never bueno. Like, it's never good. Like, I would never invest in that. And because, like, I would want the person, like, my CEO, and now I'm investing in, like, my hard-earned money would just, I'll say I'm a teenager, so I'm putting a teenager first, or I just got done busting, like, 5 hours of washing dishes mid-rush for $10 an hour, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta save up for my future kids and whatnot, and you buy into Tesla, you're a moron. What are you doing? Are you stupid? Let's look at the Tesla stocks right now. And right here, as you can tell, this little rally right here, no good. No good whatsoever. Like I say, boom, 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 all-time high. Marked over sold on the day. If he was a put buyer, this would have been a crazy put. You would have probably made enough money to feed generations, but we're not worried about what ifs and what ands. This is present time, present now. So, let's simply, Tesla's down, and let's look at BY. I'm pretty sure if I type in BYD, it should pop up. This is a game record. Right here, boom. BYDDY. There you go. And then, right here, this is also their stock. This has absolutely been rallying too, but the thing is with this stock, we zoom in a little bit, sorry guys. I don't know what it looks like this, but if we simply just change the indicator, this is a good way to call trends to hands. That's the one, I don't know the name, I'm gonna try to kill the name, but this one's a good indicator. If we turn this bad boy on, absolutely bullish. Bullish, also had that big peak too, dropped down, but this is most recent probably when Tesla was dropping, this was rising. Right when the news came out, I was like, this company actually beat Tesla. Oh my god, I'm invested in this. Boom, little drop down, you know, usual pullback. I'm invest again. Because obviously, this is the move now, guys. This is current time. I hate to break it to you. You can love Elon Musk all you want. I'm not really political, I don't care about politics at all, but you know Tesla's dying. And people are buying calls and whatnot. Guys, that's a dead cat bounce and a relief bounce, whatever you want to call it. It's a bullshit bounce. They call it dead cat and whatnot, dead cat bounce, relief bounce and whatnot. My simple terms, bullshit bounce. You could predict a bullshit bounce, like obviously, but this absolutely been rising. And if I had the money right now, and you're like, okay, so this guy's telling me get out of the growth stocks because it's down, it's gonna keep going down and I need to get out. Which I invest in, I don't want this money sitting around. Don't worry, I have a perfect plan for you. Let's just simply look up this indicator right here, gold. Oh, well, I've been hearing, and you might be thinking, oh, I've been hearing gold is setting all-time highs. I've been hearing gold set all-time highs and everything, and I've been hearing gold, it's been pretty good, but I don't want to invest in gold with all this bearish news going on. What if gold goes down? Guys, if you look here, since the market been dropping since, let's go all the way to January, if I can find it, sorry guys. Alright, right here, probably when the big drop happened, it had a little pull, but it's actually on a rally. And my logic is, when they be like, all this money's getting deleted out of like the stock market, they'd be like, $1 trillion are getting deleted out of the stock market and everything. The money does not simply go poof. Here, let me turn the camera on so you can look at me when I tell you this. Look me dead in my eyes. Okay, money does money does not go poof, alright? That is just an absolute bullshit concept if you think that. Money does not just like disappear like, oh my god, lost in the dollars? Well, who the fuck you think is getting paid, you moron? Anywho, so if we look here, absolutely on a rally. With all this uncertainty and whatnot going on, as you can tell, if we look at the Fear and Greed Index, it's at 22. And that is absolutely crazy. Anything under here, under fear right now, fear would be like, okay, we could probably see like a good 30. We're like, oh, maybe something iffy. 22. Wow, we might hit single digits. And it's not, and you'd be like, what? That's impossible. Saying that is not crazy. Saying that single digits is probably gonna come is not crazy. They keep calling a correction. We had a dead count bounce off that correction. We're going into a recession. I hate to break to you. So, basically, we have gold going up higher and higher and higher. And I think it's not done. This is simply just an index, you know, a trust of the gold. But obviously gold, if you go to actual gold, let's just look up the gold. First thing that pops up, boom, right here. It doesn't really matter. It's the same chart, guys. So if you think I'm calling bullshit, same thing. So let's go to the chart. So this one you can actually buy into, I guess it's really a stock, it's the trust fund of the SPDR, so it's whatever. But yeah, I would definitely move my money to gold. Right after I like saw my growth stocks, I had money in like, I forgot what, so I had money in Nevada, SoFi, and those were really two big ones really. And I just sold it for a loss because like, it was a small loss, guys, and nothing too crazy. And I put my money in gold, and I'm already up like, I put in a good bit, and I'm already up like, I don't know, but I'm up a good bit. I'm definitely in the way it moved, I'm definitely going to make my money back off those small stocks, because I already bought when it's already low, and I guess I sold when it's like kind of low, but I'm up a good bit. I'm definitely gonna hold while this bullshit goes on. So I suggest you do the same. Or you invest in some bonds or whatnot. I'll invest in safe stocks, cause no. Or you could just pull what that one big dude's doing. Just sit on your hands. You don't have to buy. Nobody's forcing you to invest your money. Sit in a joint, take your little APR on your savings, and boom, call it a day. Nobody's gonna blame you. Like, it's bullshit going on right now. But here we go right here. And then moral of the story. So moral of the story right here, just to get a little recap. SPY level, right here. We're on the 1 day chart. We have the high of 550. We have big news coming. So we're just gonna do a little recap for you. Let's go all the way back up to Monday. Monday, probably gonna be a scalpers day. Scalpers, have fun. Yeah, we don't do that around here. I don't do that. So, Tuesday, some big news coming in. PM, probably gonna be bullish, you know, market makers or whatever you wanna call it. I don't know, just how people would see it. But it's probably gonna be a bullish day. So, you know, you can do your little scalp calls, but what you really should be looking for is an entry on puts. That's what I'm saying. Or we should be waiting for all-time highs. You could call it a snipe, whatever. Let's see here. Bring back this to the buy chart. Alright, so we're gonna look for puts right as we see. This joint is overbought. This is our bingo. Our light should go off. You'd be like, oh wow, it's kind of getting overbought. We should be looking for puts. Right here at the top, it's gonna be hard to catch it. And I wouldn't really buy a put right when it hits over thing. Right when I start seeing this little shade of green, as you can tell. I don't know if you can tell on the indicator. I mean, wait, let me zoom in. Now you can tell. You can definitely tell. Right when you see this, I would definitely buy. And a little bounce. This is just cause like whatever, whatnot. Oh, sorry, let me go back to the normal indicator for you. Sorry guys. Just normal candles. And so, boom, a little green. Right when I see green or a little bit, I'm definitely gonna hold my puts. And these are gonna be definitely the puts to hold through. I'm going with Thursday because if you're holding puts for Friday and Powell speaking, that's absolutely risky. Not good risk management. So I'll definitely hold this for 1 day or whatnot. 0 DT and just let that pay out because that's definitely what's gonna happen here, guys. And so Tuesday, we got the recap on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm probably going with a mediocre day. Nothing too crazy. Oh no, I take that back. I'm so sorry, guys. Trump puts his big thing is, this is why we're holding the puts in, guys, because Trump declares, the April's guys know, it's April 2nd, his big terror day, ain't no April Fool's joke, so this is why we're holding the puts, because we absolutely know tariffs equals bad, and these tariffs, I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you right now, they're not gonna be good whatsoever, guys, and so I don't know what time he speaks, whatever, really, so that's why we're holding the puts by Thursday, and Thursday we're gonna have some news, and some random people, I don't really know how big important this is, but we're gonna hold it until open, and just in case what Trump thinks, because if Trump says some crazy stuff, all this could be absolutely crazy news, but you know how the market can go, and the market in the morning is definitely gonna go lower, and it might rise up in the afternoon. Friday, Jerome Powell speaks. If you like to trade off Jerome Powell, boom, this is your day. But usually we're gonna sell by Thursday, and Friday you can trade how you want. But I'm telling you right now, if we wait till Tuesday, good news, and we see a overbought signal, and this will be, you're done for the week. If you hit enough money right here to pay off like crazy, if you make a crazy play, you're done for the week here. You're done. You don't even gotta worry about Friday. You could close the charts, go Friday, go celebrate. You just won big time. So yeah, that's the game plan, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But like I said, SPY right here is at a risky spot. Boom, 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 climb up, and you just got faked out. Absolutely fell for the pump fake. LOL, you're a bozo. Boom, back down. Stop getting finessed by the market, and stop trying to think bullish, because you're in this little fantasy. Sorry, let me turn my camera so you can see me. Stop thinking bullish, because you're in this little fantasy, like, okay, stocks never go down. You're in this, if you're still thinking calls in this time of environment we're in, you're absolutely stupid. And you might be like, well, slump dog, or ad 50 peer ad. I never think calls, like, LOL. There's definitely some people, I have seen the Reddit and whatnot, that some people are still trying to buy calls in this market. And I always think, all right, why are you buying calls and your risk to reward management is at 50%, like 50% loss or 50% gain? Most of the time it's going to be a 50% loss, because if you're playing the cards right, you should be scalping it. You should be scalping it. They'll post a little screenshot, have calls going for like a little bit of a DTE. You are not looking at the bigger picture here. You have better odds. The odds in your favor are puts until otherwise. I'm sorry guys, but I wish it would work that way, that calls. Like, I wish the stock market would be so bullish right now, but it's obviously not, guys. It's not. It's simply not. There's no reason to. It's straight down, and unfortunately it is. I wish we could do better, but with Trump and tariffs and whatnot, even on the news, you see it on Twitter, everything, they always say that this is going to do more short-term damage. It's going to hurt the U.S. more in short-term damage. This is going to hurt, what's it called? Not Europe or whatnot, Europe in the long run. So maybe we're just in a bad environment, but hey, there's always money to be made. Put your money in trusted things and assets like gold, silver, copper, bonds, you know, all that good stuff, and invest in that. Safer, so you lower your risk, and your reward should be off of day trading, since you're obviously watching this video, and we should definitely be waiting for puts. Follow this game plan. I'm telling you, you're definitely going to win. And this is not to the heart. Like I said, Tuesday might not be bullish news, and we might go down a little bit, but hey, that's okay. There's nothing to be crazy about. Obviously, our strategy are not in. Your entry should definitely be, I'm telling you right now, your entry should definitely be an overbought level. Right when the RSI indicates overbought at a good peak, you should definitely be looking for puts. Because I'm telling you right now, Wednesday is not going to be a good day for the stock market. Not going to be a good day. If you think it's going to be a good day, I'm going to tell you right now, I think you're a moron. You're absolutely stupid. I don't think it's going to be a good day. No. Puts. Little calls. Calls for only for scalping, not long term. Long term, puts all the way. Another thing that we look at right here to tell that we're not crazy, if we go to my favorite thing. Oh, my keyboard just disconnected. Let's go to my favorite thing. I'm typing it in. Sorry if I look crazy. Look, I never used a computer before. Alright, good old bar chart. Alright, and here we're gonna go to options, and we're gonna go to options flow. And boom, boom, boom. If we go here, we obviously see Tesla, calls. Oh, wait. I'm noticing something. Why is there so many puts and little calls? Maybe because obviously the head fudges and everybody in the market right now are thinking puts. They're no good. There's no reason you should be buying calls. This is a one-of-a-kind call. Obviously, this is, I don't know, this is a 42-day strike price in a day, so maybe it's a little longer term, but as you can tell in other stocks in longer term, they're thinking puts. Oh my god, this put is absolutely insane. Wow. Anywho, but that's a crazy put call right there. Let's go to simple volume. Alright, we still see on max volume, we see so many puts, and it's not but funny. If you're thinking calls right now, you're an absolute moron. These guys right here definitely have something that we do not know about, because the DTE on some of these calls are way lower than the puts. Puts might be a short-term play, who knows? But I'm telling you right now, we're thinking about this week, we're not thinking long-term, we're thinking about this week right here, and this week is puts. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching. Pray before you trade, and I hope it's a good day for you. I really do. Like I said, you should be looking for puts, not calls. And if you're looking for calls, please be a scalp. Tuesday might be bullish. If it's bullish, short that bitch next day. Moral of the story. Thank you for watching.
Shit, bought this bitch Benz when I turned 19. I was back right now. She never thought about this nigga like I was off the shits when I turned.